Many people get confused when they see a parking spot like this, especially when the car in front is parked in the opposite direction. As a result, when moving forward, they don't know what to align with and just give up. Remember this method. It's very useful for beginners, so keep it as a reference. First, align the top point of the wiper with the parking line, then drive forward along it. This way, the right side distance will be about 30 centimeters. Keep moving until your side mirror lines up with the rear door handle of the car in front. If the car beside you is parked in the same direction, just align with its side mirror. Next, turn the steering wheel one full circle to the right and start reversing. Notice how the back of your car slowly moves into the parking spot. When you see in the right mirror that the curb is about to disappear, stop. If only a little bit of the curb is visible, that's perfect. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the left and continue reversing until there's no more space behind. Then stop. You should still have around 10 centimeters of safety distance. Finally, turn the steering wheel fully to the right again. Move forward slightly to straighten the car, and you're done. See? The parking looks neat and beautiful.